I'm regularly asked by employees about where they stand in the workplace. What I mean by this is that they come to me with a complaint or a grievance, but they're not actually sure whether they have a claim or whether it's a breach of an employment right or whether it's a breach of their contract or whether perhaps it's just a grievance. And what I try to do with the consultation service that I provide is to give them clarity and peace of mind. So basically they know where they stand. And the key thing at the end of it then that the employee gets is a clear view of where they stand and whether they should pick a different battle or proceed with whatever the issue is. So sometimes when they come to me, it may be with an allegation of bullying in the workplace, or it may be a complaint about perhaps they feel they're being forced to resign their position. Perhaps they feel that they're being taken for granted or forced out. They're not being paid in accordance with the contract. They're not getting paid for public holidays or their annual leave entitlements, or there have been remarks made by a colleague to them or about them. All of these things give rise to a huge degree of dissatisfaction and disquiet for the employee. So basically when they come to me, they are concerned, but they're concerned most of all about whether they actually have a claim, a valid claim or not, and whether they should just consider the situation to be a grievance or whether to pursue it more formally. And that's essentially what my consultation service is about. It's about giving clarity and giving peace of mind to the employee, and essentially to say to them, look, at what you have there is a grievance and you need to use the grievance procedure in the workplace if you want to pursue it, but that's as far as it goes. And sometimes I say that's completely unacceptable, that's completely unlawful, and you could bring a claim to the WRC, or you could perhaps go to court and sue for breach of contract or take more serious action. But the key thing is that the employee needs to know and is entitled to know where they stand and whether they have a valid and justiciable claim or not. The consultation then that I provide can be done in person, by mobile or by phone, by email or by Skype. And it involves me getting, firstly, all of the relevant information, gathering it up, and this may include looking at the contract of employment. It may include looking at the outcome of any investigation procedure, looking at the outcome of any disciplinary, looking at relevant correspondence, and so on. But it does require me to look at the necessary facts surrounding the situation, and then I'm in a position to advise the employee either by email or phone or in person. Consultation can be arranged easily enough. You can contact me by email or just ring the office and you can arrange with one of the girls there to have the consultation. But essentially it's questions and answers, it's an advice situation for employees who are confused, and it aims to give peace of mind, it aims to give clarity, and it basically aims to let the employee know where they actually stand. So if it's something that you might be interested in, feel free to contact me or contact the office, and you can arrange the consultation. Then there is a fee, obviously. It takes a bit of time, it takes a bit of expertise, but it takes time, A, to do the consultation, and B, to prepare for it and to read all of the necessary and relevant documentation and so on. But it's something that you may be interested in. If you are, as I say, hit me up with an email or contact me through my Facebook page, or just ring the office and my receptionist or one of the girls there will fix up a consultation for you at a time that suits. And it really doesn't make any difference what part of the country you're in, because we do it by email or by phone or by Skype, or you can come to the office. It's the same price either way. Hope you find this video useful.